Winter is over. Winter is over. It's spring. It's spring. The flowers are blooming. The flowers are blooming. The birds are singing. The birds are singing. Today I'm cleaning my flat. Today I'm cleaning my flat. First I tidy up. First I tidy up. I put the books on the shelf. I put the books on the shelf. I put the cushions on the sofa. I put the cushions on the sofa. I take the dirty dishes to the kitchen. I take the dirty dishes to the kitchen. I wash them. I wash them. I throw the empty bag of crisps in the bin. I throw the empty bag of crisps in the bin. I'll take out the rubbish bag. I'll take out the rubbish bag. I separate the rubbish. I separate the rubbish. I throw the rubbish bag into the bin. I throw the rubbish bag into the bin. I can recycle the plastic bottle. I can recycle the plastic bottle. I throw it into the plastics bin. I throw it into the plastics bin. I remove the cobwebs with the duster. I remove the cobwebs with the duster. There's a stain on the table. There's a stain on the table. I clean the stain. I clean the stain. I clean the toilet. I clean the toilet. I clean the toilet with the brush. I clean the toilet with the brush. I pick things up from the floor. I pick things up from the floor. I clean the floor with the mop and water. I clean the floor with the mop and water. I clean the mirror. I clean the mirror. First I spray the cleaning product on the sink. First I spray the cleaning product on the sink. It smells like oranges and lemons. It smells like oranges and lemons. Then I clean it with a cloth. Then I clean it with a cloth. Now the sink is shining. Now the sink is shining. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. I vacuum the floor with a vacuum cleaner. I vacuum the floor with a vacuum cleaner. I clean the windows. I clean the windows. I do the laundry. I do the laundry. I put the dirty clothes in the washing machine. I put the dirty clothes in the washing machine. I put detergent in the washing machine. I put detergent in the washing machine. I turn on the washing machine. I turn on the washing machine. I hang the clothes on the drying rack. I hang the clothes on the drying rack. I put the wet clothes in the dryer. I put the wet clothes in the dryer. I iron the clothes. I iron the clothes. I fold the clothes. I fold the clothes. I put the clothes away in the wardrobe. I put the clothes away in the wardrobe. I change the sheets. I change the sheets. I clean the car in the garage. I clean the car in the garage. I water the plants. I water the plants. I water the plants with the hose. I water the plants with the hose. I water the plants with the watering can. I water the plants with the watering can. I mow the lawn. I mow the lawn. I mow the lawn with the lawnmower. I mow the lawn with the lawnmower. I trim the hedge. I trim the hedge. I cut the hedge with the pruning shears. I cut the hedge with the pruning shears. I'm planting new flowers in the garden. I'm planting new flowers in the garden. I make a hole with the shovel. I make a hole with the shovel. I put a small apple tree in the hole. I put a small apple tree in the hole. Then I fill it with soil. Then I fill it with soil. Everything is clean, tidy, and sparkling. Everything is clean, tidy, and sparkling. The air smells fresh, like spring. The air smells fresh, like spring. I feel tired, but very satisfied. I feel tired, but very satisfied. My house and garden are ready for the new season. My house and garden are ready for the new season. Now I can sit down, have a lemonade, and enjoy the sunshine. Now I can sit down, have a lemonade, and enjoy the sunshine. Welcome, spring. Welcome, spring.
Would you like to learn English in an easy and fun way? Subscribe to our channel. There's a new video every Sunday.